Attention Funko Pop lovers, we have the Bitty Pops with Disney characters. I'm very excited to open these because it is something different.
Yeah, this is her first time.
Yes, and we love our Disney Doorables. But
yes.
For if you are lacking shelf space, these will take up like next to no space. So please hold as we open.
So just to show everybody, we're guaranteed to get the 3 characters here, and here are all of the mystery bitties. Additionally, these come with stackable shelves. So we're gonna have 4 of them, and we'll have 4 shelves that we can stack. So Mama, why don't you put
So this is Sorcerer Mickey.
Oh, and actually let's show everybody, Mom, because these don't just plop in like that.
Oops. Oh, he comes out there too.
He can come out, yes. But yes, you gotta be careful, Mom. We don't wanna break him. So let's put him in here and then put him in the shelf. So we're gonna put the first one in. The next one we have is Princess Minnie. She's an old style one.
Yes. Here's Dale, and I'm hoping we have a chip in there in the.
We might. Yes, we do. We have
So leave a space for him, and then
we have the mystery one. Just by the way, he popped out, so there he is. So Mom, which one do you think he is? Although you're showing everybody the top.
Okay, well, all of the mystery ones, I will say, according to the packaging, are Mickeys.
Yes.
So this looks like this is probably...
Please hold while she gets it open. Mama, this is the one of the 1 out of 6 characters. This is the Steamboat Willie. So we got Willie. Yeah, Steamboat Willie.
Yes.
Okay. We got one of the 1 out of 6 characters. So this is one of the harder ones to get. So good job. Let's plop him into the shelf.
Yeah, he's cool.
Mama's gonna go on to the next one. Let's show everybody first the characters that we know we're gonna get. So in here we have Minnie Mouse, Daisy Duck, and Donald Duck. And Mama just wants to go full steam ahead, so we're gonna let her go. We have stacked our shelves. Here is Daisy, Donald, and Minnie Mouse. And who is our mystery one? Please hold while she tries to get it out. Who did we get, Mom?
Oh, this looks like this is Maestro Mickey. So there's a 1
Yes,
out
this
of
is
3
Conductor
chance.
Mickey.
Conductor Mickey. So he's the Maestro.
Yes, he's got a 1 out of 3 chance. So we're gonna put him in here. Please hold. Beep. And then let's go on to the next one. We'll show everybody who's in here. So we have Goofy, Chip, and Minnie Mouse. Let's get those 3 out and then open our mystery. All right, so here are all of our characters in their little shelf. We have in here Goofy, we have our classic Minnie Mouse, and we have Chip. So let's put the shelf on. Can I do it while holding the camera in my hand?
And
who's our next one?
Is...
Who did we get? Oh, look, it's little brave little Taylor Mickey. Look at how cute he is. All right, let's add him to our shelf. All right, our tower is growing. On to the last one. In here we have classic Mickey Mouse. We have, I don't know which Minnie Mouse we call this. We have Goofy, and we got 1 more mystery, so let's get it opened up.
That is not Goofy. That is
a Pluto, sorry. Wait, there's no Goofy in this.
Yeah, you already got Goofy.
That's sad. All right, well, let's get it opened.
Goofy.
I lied, Goofy is there. Well, Mom's gonna keep opening. All right, so here is our Mickey, our Minnie, and our Pluto. Mom might have cursed herself because she said, I think it's a dupe. And here we have Conductor Mickey again. You cursed us by saying, I think it's a dupe.
Well...
Don't curse us.
But it's okay. We still like Conductor
He's still cute,
Mickey.
yes, but we're only missing now this Mickey right here. Mom cursed us. We could have been perfect if she didn't go on Mom. All right, Mama, anything to say to your fans?
I have to say that these, like I said, for those of you who collect Funko Pops, and I know there's those of you out there who have Funko Pops shelves and shelves and shelves of them in packaging, these take up a lot less space and they're super cute. So,
all right, Mama, say bye to your fans.
Bye.